I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by ensuring minimal variables. Power off, remove SIM, and work on a non-conductive mat to avoid static damage. Once done, verify the replacement screen is original or certified compatible. Part numbers must match, because Face ID ties to secure elements. Next, connect the battery and attach the screen flex cable, but don't seal the chassis yet. Leave the display propped so you can access the sensors and ports for the next calibration steps. You now boot the device, sign into the owner Apple ID to grant secure enclave access, because key material may need relinking. Then open Face ID setup and perform full, slow 360 degrees scans. Move your head and vary distances to capture all angles. Make sure ambient lighting is even, not too bright, not too dark, so sensors read accurately. If the phone reports sensor errors, run the manufacturer's diagnostic app to test the true depth monitor. You finish by sealing the device only after successful Face ID enrollment and multiple unlock checks from different angles. If Face ID fails, reboot the phone, go to Settings, reset Face ID, and repeat enrollments. Make sure connectors are seated and firmware matches the board revision. If problems persist, document error codes and contact the OEM for secure enclave reprovisioning or an authorized component swap. This is often the only way to restore cryptographic pairing after a screen replacement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.